Good morning.
Wait, no, you can't. Double chin.
Hey up, YouTube.
How are you not?
Yeah, I'm sat with her. Okay, go. Tell them what we're doing.
So today we are filming some stuff this morning for a video that's coming out in a couple of months. Then we are washing our cars. How many cars? 3 cars. So that's going to be good fun.
My new whip.
Then we'll be heading over to the gym to do a leg workout.
Deadlifts. I'm not doing much legs, just deads.
And then what we're doing.
And biceps. And then we're going to Pirates Caribbean, see the new one. And then we're coming home and making homemade pizzas.
A gigantic homemade pizza.
It's going to have all of our daily calories in one pizza. And protein, that's the important bit.
It's going to be good.
So let's go. Peace. Boom. And it's time to get filming. Let's go. Okay, so now it's time to wash the cars. We've got the Hoover, 2 buckets of car wax, soaps and stuff, and chamois and wipey things. So I'm going to clean up my old car because I'm going to sell that, and also the new one because it needs some love.
The door is a losing game, it's a losing game, but this time it's more than another lot of war. This ain't the same, this ain't the same. They say love heals all, it makes it all alright. In time, my heart still feels the breaking, but you make my world so bright. It feels so right, it feels so right.
It's now almost 11 o'clock, cars are all clean, as you can see. Millie's just gone inside to make some breakfast. We're going to have boiled eggs on toast, I think, and then we're going to hit the gym for deadlifts, so see you in a sec. Politics in the background! No, I want to eat breakfast, thank you.
Despacito, quiero respirar tu cuello despacito. Deja que te diga cosas al oído, para que te acuerdes si no estás conmigo. Despacito, quiero desnudarte.
Alright, so now it's time for the gym. We're driving there in the new car, Audi TTS, in case you wanted to know. And in a minute you'll get to see how it goes. Why are there people in my way? Okay. here, big old Mike Dimmy! From nowhere, he's returned from the land of university. Curling, trying to build up these baby calves. Okay, so we've just finished our workout and now we are about to shower. Well, Millie's finishing her workout.
So warm.
We're gonna go shower, clean up nice and go to the films. Okay, so we just finished in the gym. Now we're heading to the cinema. Had a really lovely drive. It's a beautiful day.
So
if you can see. It's rather impressive for England, I must say. Proving to everyone that I am paying because I'm nice.
So now we're heading back home to go make pizza.
Yes, we are. Just finished watching Pirates of the Caribbean, Dead Men Tell No Tales, or Revenge of Salazar. I'm not actually sure what it's called, but it was one or the other. And post-credit scene, check it out. It hints to a return of Davy Jones. We'll catch up with you when we're making pizza. So Millie and I made the dough yesterday, as we just got back from the cinema. It's 5:15. Yeah, just gone past 5:15. I'm starving, so that's why we did this, because I knew this was going to happen. So I'm going to take you back to yesterday, where we were making pizza dough, and it's all laid out here, and we're going to get...
One eternity later.
Okay, so we're done yesterday. Back to now. Now we'll continue. So we're back, and Millie is now working with dough, making it into pizza.
Big old square.
Making it into a pizza. In the meantime, I will be cooking in sausages and bacon.
Oh, the proteins.
Wake me up.
And then we're going to put on chicken bacon, 4 ounces of bacon, and a whole pack of everyday value.
Be the greatest pizza ever made.
And there we have it. A lot of food. And for that, we say goodnight.